In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Shopify store with Xero so you can automatically sync your sales, invoices, and payments without doing everything manually. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the top corner, you would notice that there are like circles beside your profile icon, which is going to be the App Store. If you click on it, you will see multiple options, and I want you to click the Open Xero App Store. This is where your integrations live. Okay, so all I have to do is go to the search bar and type in Shopify. Click that, and as you may notice, you have multiple options here. You just have to choose the second option, which is the e-commerce Shopify integration by Xero. Click the Get This App. You will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do at this point is authorize these two platforms. Okay? If you don't have a Shopify account yet, this is your opportunity to create an account. But if you do have, click the blue button, connect the app, and you need to provide the Shopify store address. Now, all I have to do at this point after putting your Shopify store name is click the install button and you're all set. And basically that's it for today's video on how to connect Shopify with Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.